Welcome to a space where productivity meets intuition, where your routines flow with your body, not against it. If you've ever felt inconsistent, unmotivated, or frustrated that your energy changes from week to week, you're not broken, you're cyclical. In this video, we'll explore cycle syncing, how it connects to your habits, and how to build routines that honor your natural rhythm. Cycle syncing is the practice of aligning your lifestyle, habits, and goals with the phases of your menstrual cycle. Just like the moon, your body moves through energetic shifts each month, times of expansion, focus, creativity, and rest. When you understand and work with those phases, your habits become supportive instead of draining. You stop forcing yourself to be the same every day and start flowing with your body's wisdom. Your cycle moves through 4 distinct phases, each with its own rhythm and emotional tone. The menstrual phase is your inner winter. This is when energy is low, so rest, reflect, and release. The follicular phase is your inner spring. This is when energy rises. It's a time for new beginnings and fresh ideas. The ovulatory phase is your inner summer. This is when you feel magnetic, expressive, and social, perfect for collaboration or big projects. The luteal phase is your inner autumn. This is when energy turns inward. It's a time to focus on completion, organization, and self-care. Each phase carries wisdom. When your habits honor that wisdom, you stay balanced, productive, and at peace. Here's how to sync your routines with your cycle. Number 1. Track your phases. Start noting when each phase begins and how you feel physically and emotionally. Number 2. Plan according to your energy. Schedule high-focus tasks during your follicular and ovulatory phases, and slower reflective work during your luteal and menstrual phases. Number 3. Adjust self-care practices. Move gently or rest when energy dips. Nourish yourself with grounding routines when emotions rise. Number 4. Allow flexibility. Cycle syncing isn't about rigid rules, it's about self-trust and flow. The more you honor your natural rhythms, the easier it becomes to stay consistent, because your consistency is rooted in alignment, not pressure. Remember, your energy is not meant to be constant, it's meant to cycle. When you build habits that honor your phases, you move through life with grace, balance, and harmony. If you'd like to explore this deeper, check out the links in the description. Thank you for watching, and may you move through your next cycle with ease and self-honoring flow.